Plastic Waste Management Rules, 2021, prohibited manufacturing, import, stocking, distribution, sale, and use of several single-use plastics, from the 1st of July 2022, and also states that biodegradable plastics shall be as per appropriate standard, developed by Bureau of Indian Standards. In this regard, BIS formulated a provisional Indian standard under IS 17899-T of 2022 to specify the procedures for assessment of the biodegradability of plastic in available varied conditions. The criteria for assessing the biodegradability of plastics under the standard are applicable only in soil, municipal solid waste, and composting medium. MindSync will help you to get your BIS certification, right from documentation to approval. Contact MindSync today.
Hello and welcome to MindSync. I am Swati from MindSync. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, and advisory services. Packaging and labeling rules under legal metrology, packaged commodities rules, are updated on a regular basis to reduce the compliance burden, eliminate declaration ambiguity, and to protect consumer rights and interests. On March 28, 2022, the Department of Consumer Affairs issued the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Amendment Rules 2022, which was earlier effective on October 1, 2022, will now come into effect on the 1st of December 2022. Through the amendments, the government has directed product manufacturers to include several declarations on their packaging along with other changes. In this video, MindSync will give you a quick overview of most recent amendment in the rule, along with some of potential FAQ that will have an effect on manufacturer. Legal metrology is defined under Section 2, Sub-Rule G, of Legal Metrology Act, 2009. Which means, legal metrology treats units and methods of weighment and measurement and weighing and measuring instruments, in relation to the mandatory technical and legal requirements, which have the object of ensuring public guarantee from the point of view of security and accuracy of the weighments and measurements. In simple words, it ensures compliance with the Act and other technical norms by checking the accuracy of weights and measurements. In order to optimize business operations, the Department of Consumer Affairs, under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food, and Public Distribution, issued the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Amendment Rules 2022 on 28 March 2022 to amend the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011. The amended rule was earlier to come into effect on the 1st of October 2022, has been extended and now will be enforced from the 1st of December 2022. It has brought amendments in the said rules, through which the manufacturer is required to declare certain mandatory declarations on the products which is manufactured, or packed, or imported. MindSync will provide you with all the mandatory labeling declarations to be made by you on your product. The main declarations required under the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules to be given on all pre-packaged commodities meant for retail sale are: name and address of manufacturer or packer or importer, and manufacturer if manufacturer is not packer; country of origin if imported; common or generic name of the commodity; net quantity in standard unit of weights or measures or number of commodity in the package; maximum retail price inclusive of all taxes; unit sale price effective from the 1st of December 2022; month and year of manufacture; best before or use by date, month, and year, in case of commodity becoming unfit for human consumption with time; consumer care details. In the said rules, Rule 4 shall be renumbered as Sub-Rule 1, and after Sub-Rule 1 the following Sub-Rule 2 in Rule 4 shall be inserted, namely, regulation for pre-packing and sale etc. of commodities in packaged form. Let us first know what Rule 4 Sub-Rule 1 says. It states that no person shall pre-pack or cause or permit to be pre-packed any commodity for sale, distribution, or delivery, unless the package in which the commodity is pre-packed bears thereon, or on a label is securely affixed thereto, such declarations as are required to be made under these rules. Further, new Rule 4 Sub-Rule 2 is inserted. According to the new rule, when one or more packages intended for retail sale are grouped together for being sold as a retail package on promotional offer, every package of the group shall comply with provisions of Rule 6, which deals with the declarations to be made on every package. Rule 5 shall be omitted from the 1st of December 2022, which means that now the commodities specified in the second schedule can be packed in any quantities by the manufacturer. Rule 5, which requires specific commodities to be packed and sold in recommended standard packages, such as baby food, biscuit, tea, salt, and so on, shall be packed for sale, distribution, or delivery in such standard quantities as are specified in that schedule. Provided that if a commodity specified in the second schedule is packed in a size other than that prescribed in that schedule, a declaration that not a standard pack size or non-standard size under the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011 shall be made prominently on the label of such package. In addition to this, a major change has been made in Rule 6 Sub-Rule 1d, wherein the words or pre-packed or imported shall be omitted. It means that it will be necessary to give information about the month or manufacturing year on the imported package item. At present, only the month or date of import is required to be given on the import of package items. Earlier under the rule, the month and year in which the product was manufactured or pre-packed or imported was required to be mentioned on the packaging material. Rule 6 Sub-Rule 1a, which is declarations to be made on every package, is amended by a notification. Earlier the rule states that the retail sale price of the package shall clearly indicate that it is the maximum retail price, inclusive of all taxes, in Indian currency, and the price in rupees and paise be rounded off to the nearest rupee or 50 paise. From the 1st of December 2022, the amended Rule 6 Sub-Rule 1a shall be substituted, which states that for the words commencing with and the price in rupees and paise and ending with MRP rupees inclusive of all taxes, the words in Indian currency shall be substituted. Earlier under Rule 6, Sub-Rule 11, the unit sale price shall be declared for pre-packaged commodities as rupees per gram with net quantity of less than 1 kg, rupees per kg with net quantity of more or equal to 1 kg, rupees per centimeter with net length of less than 1 meter, rupees per meter with net length of more or equal to 1 meter, rupees per number, rupees per milliliter with net volume of less than 1 liter, and rupees per liter with net volume of more or equal to 1 liter. With effect from the 1st of December 2022, the following sub-rule shall be substituted under Rule 6 Sub-Rule 11. The unit sale price in rupees rounded off to the nearest 2 decimal place shall be declared on every pre-packaged commodities in the following manner. Per gram, where net quantity is less than 1 kg, and per kg, where net quantity is more than 1 kg, per centimeter, where net length is less than 1 meter, and per meter, where net length is more than 1 meter. per milliliter, where net volume is less than 1 liter, and per liter, where net volume is more than 1 liter. Per number, or unit if any item is sold by number, or unit. Declaration of unit sale price is not required for the pre-packaged commodities, in which retail sale price is equal to the unit sale price. Rule 33 was omitted by a notification, GSR 226-A, dated on the 28th of March 2022, which will be effective from the 1st of December 2022. Omitted Rule 33 states that the central government may, after ascertaining the genuineness of a case stated in the application, permit a manufacturer, or packer, or importer, to pack or sell of the packages, other than specified in the second schedule, for a maximum period of 1 year, by relaxing the rules. As second schedule, which specifies commodities to be packed in specified quantity, shall be omitted. Now all commodities falling under second schedule will have to mandatorily adhere to the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules. MindSync is going to provide you with a list of some of FAQs, along with their solutions, that you should take into account if you are dealing with pre-packaged commodities. Let's discuss each one in detail. What is principal display panel? In relation to a package means the total surface area of package, where the information required under these rules are to be given in the following manner. All the information could be grouped together and given at one place, or the pre-printed information could be grouped together and given in one place, and online information grouped together in other place. What do you mean by an institutional consumer? It means the institution which buys packaged commodities, bearing a declaration, not for retail sale, directly from the manufacturer, or from an importer, or from wholesale dealer, for use by that institution, and not for commercial or trade purposes. What do you mean by an industrial consumer? It means the consumer who buys packaged commodities directly from the manufacturer, or from an importer, or from wholesale dealer, for use by that industry, and the package shall have declaration, not for retail sale. What are the commodities where, when packed, declaration is allowed? For all kinds of soaps, lotions, cream, and camphor, when packed, declaration is allowed. If you have inadvertently missed the declarations and realized the mistake, is there any remedy against prosecution? Under Rule 33 of the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules, 2011, the applicant may apply for relaxation. You have wrapped the article for safety or transportation, intend to sell in number separately. Are you covered under the said rules? No, the commodities does not fall under packaged commodities. Whether additional sticker can be affixed on the package to provide information required under the rules. The rules provide that all the information required, either printed on the package itself or on a label affixed thereto. Therefore, given all the information on a single label affixed on the package is not prohibited. Whether giving additional information is considered violation under the packaged commodities rules. Giving any information, in addition to the mandatory information required under the rules, is not considered violation. Who is responsible in case of imported goods packaged? In India, registered importer is responsible in case of imported goods packaged. Whether loose commodities are covered under the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules. The rules cover only pre-packaged commodities and does not cover loose commodities. Whether there is provision to sell a commodity at a price lower than MRP. According to Rule 6, Sub-Rule 3, a commodity may be sold at a price lower than MRP. Can the price declared on a prepackaged commodity, can be changed in due course. No, under Rule 18 Sub-Rule 5 and 6, no one can alter the price once printed. Whether the packaged commodities can be sold at a price higher than MRP. No, under Rule 18 Sub-Rule 2, no retail dealer or other person including manufacturer, packer, importer, and wholesale dealer shall make any sale of any commodity in packed form at a price exceeding the retail sale price thereof. What are the commodities covered under the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules? All pre-packaged commodities, except otherwise exempted from the rules, are covered. The exemption is given for drugs, fast food items, and packaged commodities sold in the packages up to 10 gram or 10 milliliter. What is unit sale price? Unit sale price means the sale price inclusive of all taxes per specified unit of weight, measure, or number, where the unit sale price should be declared. The unit sale price shall be declared on the principal display panel of the pre-packaged commodity. What is the number of decimal places which need to be indicated in the declaration of unit sale price? As per Rule 6 Sub-Rule 11, the unit sale price shall be rounded off to the nearest 2 decimal places. In case where the unit sale price is a whole number, it may be declared without decimal places. Is unit sale price required to be declared on wholesale packages? Unit sale price is not required to be declared on a wholesale package as defined under Rule 2 Sub-Rule R of the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011. Is the unit sale price required to be declared in advertisements? The requirement of declaring the unit sale price is limited to the product itself. As per Rule 31 Sub-Rule 1, in an advertisement with the MRP, net quantity needs to be declared. Is unit sale price required to be displayed on e-commerce website? As per Rule 6 Sub-Rule 10 of the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011, the e-commerce entity is required to ensure mandatory declaration as specified in Rule 6 Sub-Rule 1. Accordingly, the unit sale price is not required to be displayed on e-commerce websites. Is unit sale price required to be declared if it is equal to the MRP? As per the second provision to Rule 6 Sub-Rule 11, declaration of unit sale price is not required for the pre-packaged commodities in which retail sale price or MRP is equal to the unit sale price. Is unit sale price required to be declared on packs offering additional volume or quantity or units for free inside the primary pack? The unit sale price is required to be declared, however, the unit sale price computation shall exclude the additional volume or quantity or units being provided for free. Is unit sale price required to be declared on packs offering additional volume or quantity or units of the same commodity for free separately? The unit sale price is required to be declared on pack intended for sale, however, the unit sale price computation shall exclude the value of pack being provided for free. There is no requirement of declaring unit sale price on free pack. And now what if the packs is offering some other product for free? There is also no requirement of declaring unit sale price on such free product. What declarations have to be made by the e-commerce industries? An e-commerce entity shall ensure that the mandatory declarations, as specified in Rule 6 Sub-Rule 1, except the month and year in which the commodity is manufactured or packed, shall be displayed on the digital and electronic network used for e-commerce transactions. MindSync will assist you with all the latest guidelines or any such new amendment related to legal metrology, Packaged Commodities Rules. If you require any type of services related to legal metrology registration or license, contact MindSync. We will be happy to help you. Stay tuned for our legal metrology video series. Thank you.